And put your cars up here. Okay. And now whenever you're ready, lift it up. Whoa! Oh, that's the son of a grave digger.
Yeah. Who got this?
So what are we doing today? Are we gonna make a ramp?
Yeah.
Out of what?
Boxes.
Out of boxes?
Let's do.
All these boxes, we're gonna make a big ramp?
Yeah.
Okay, that's gonna be fun. Whoa!
Whoa, what?
Whoa, look at that. We got a little starting ramp. The trucks are gonna go so fast. They're gonna go ready, set, go. Are you gonna put them in the mail and send them to a friend?
Yeah.
Okay. That's so nice of you. Okay, we're gonna see which ones win the race with the boxes. We're building a big track with boxes. Dude, we gonna build the track now?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. We're gonna build a track out of boxes. A racetrack. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, now put this side down and now stick it on. Okay, and now go stack it up over there. Good job. All right, let's keep making boxes. Ooh, these are different sizes.
Yeah.
Okay, so what do we open it like this? Here, open it up.
These are different sizes.
Yep, where's the sticker? No sticker.
No ticket.
Okay, well, it's fine. We have tape. Look at all the boxes now.
Wow.
Oh! Whoa, wait. We need to stack them up.
Yeah.
Whoa. Jeez.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at all these monster trucks you have. What do we have here? Wild Streak.
Why your teeth?
Oh.
They're Hot Wheels.
Backdraft.
But that.
Building.
I want to cut that.
A what?
I want to cut that. But we need to talk to lift it.
Put it down. Okay, push the two sides in.
Daddy, not working.
Like that. Now put this one down. Okay. Peel off the sticker.
Not. Up.
Do the corner. Yep, pull it off.
Hey, why you here? Hey, why
I think she's trying to help. Lily, are you helping us build the monster truck track?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9. Whoa, you got so many trucks. Which one's gonna win the race?
I think this digger.
You think Gravedigger's gonna win the race? Which one's gonna be last and lose the race?
I think the one that used the race.
Oh, the wild one. Okay, Michael, tape it. Sticky side down. Good job. Did you just connect it?
Yeah.
Awesome. All right, let's keep building more.
And it's a backflip.
A backflip.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if you could go over the top. Whoa!
Over the top.
Way over the top. What truck's that?
Ew.
Is it the Gravedigger?
Yeah.
Whoa.
The little one.
Yeah. Can I see him?
Yeah.
Which one's this? Is this the fire truck one?
Yeah, Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder?
Yeah.
What does he do?
What's this?
Whoa!
You know, Betty, I dated hits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have...
He's not so far.
Then we have Samson. Then we have
Ooh, he just went like
Monster Vet. It's a Corvette. This is a car monster truck. Boom. Whoa.
Ooh, wow.
Then we have the Hot Wheels, the Team Hot Wheels monster truck. Let's put them down next. Don't come over here. So 9 plus 2, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah.
We have 11.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, high five. Yeah, this is gonna be cool. Okay, let's do another box.
There's 2 more.
There we go.
2 more.
Here, push that side down. Push this side down. Okay, now peel off the sticker. Okay, now push it down. Good job.
You can come
Flip it over. Push the...
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
There's 2 more.
How many more boxes? A whole bunch.
But there's 2 more.
Okay, let's do those. Okay, we gotta keep building it.
Ellie?
Move everything out of the way. I think we're done.
Yeah.
Whoa.
My favorite to a man.
Your playroom is a mess.
Yeah.
It is a mess, but we had to build the monster truck.
Cat.
The monster truck track. The ultimate monster truck track. Show me the monster trucks we're going to be racing today. Whoa, they're all lined up so good. All right, and we're going to race them down this awesome track.
Yeah.
Whoa, look, it even has a starting point.
Yeah.
Okay, let's load them up. All right, try it out. Whoa! Let's race 2 now.
This one.
Okay, so which one am I racing? Team Hot Wheels?
Yeah.
And which one are you racing?
Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Whoa!
Wow! We both won.
Lily wants to play. Lily, you want to play?
No,
Yeah?
it's a game.
Can you give her one monster truck to hold? Give her one monster truck to play with. Whoa, you gave her Gravedigger?
Yeah.
Oh, Lily, you got Gravedigger. Boom. Race these 2, then these 2, then these 2, then these 2, and these 2. We're gonna see which monster truck is the fastest.
I thought this one and this one.
Okay. Let's see which one's the fastest. Ready? Whoa!
Oh!
Blue Thunder won!
Yeah,
Or no, this is Bigfoot.
yeah.
Bigfoot won, so we're gonna put the winner right here.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Now grab 2 more.
I'm supposed to use it right here.
Okay. Grab 2 more.
I have this one and this one.
Okay, which 2 are we racing? We got the Monster Corvette and Grinder. Okay, which one do you think's gonna win? Let's see. Oh, the Monster Corvette Okay, we're gonna put the winner right here.
What?
Oh, he's way down there. There's two down there.
Yeah. I gotta use.
Okay, grab two more. Is that son of a grave digger?
Yeah.
Oh, he's fast. Okay, and versus Samson. Ooh, okay. Put him like this.
Hey, I don't want the red one.
Okay, ready when you are.
What you doing with that?
Oh! Next two, you gotta put them right here on the line. Okay, so we have Metal Militia and Samson. Ready, set, go! Go! Metal Militia won. Oh, three at a time?
Yeah.
Ooh, this is gonna be a good race.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go!
Oh!
That's twice! You put
Wait, this one won!
I did one too!
Wild Streak won! Okay, we have a lot of winners. Now we have to race these to see which ones are the fastest out of those. Okay, so you want to race them all at once?
Yeah!
Okay. Ooh. Here, put them all up here. Whoa, that's so many. Whoa. Whoa. Here, hold this down. Okay. Go! Uh-oh. We got a traffic jam. Here, push him down. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. The ultimate winner is
I don't know.
Monster Vet. Whoa, he's the fastest. Watch out, he's coming through. Whoa, that was so cool. And 1, 2, 3. Oh, where are you sending those? Are you gonna put them in the mail and send them to a friend?
Yeah.
Okay. That's so nice of you. How many are in there? Oh, hot. Alrighty. Do you want to destroy your track now and build a new one?
Yeah.
Alright, here. Go next to the boxes and knock them all over. Whoa! Oh! Knock them all over! Because we gotta build a new track! Oh! Oh, total destruction! Oh! Whoa! Oh!
I destroyed it.
Oh, total destruction. Now we gotta build a new one.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh! That's so many. Here, show me. Whoa! Who are you sending all these to? Your friends?
Yeah.